Let's do a quick explainer on exactly how to install and uninstall fonts in Windows 11.
Custom typography gives your work instant personality, so let's jump straight into the setup.
First up, make sure your font matches a standard Windows format, like TrueType or OpenType.
To install it, we'll open File Explorer, right-click the font, and just hit Install.
First, press Windows plus E to pull up File Explorer and locate your downloaded font file. Once you've got it, go ahead and right-click on the file.
Then, look at the bottom of that menu and click Show More Options.
Now just choose either Install or Install for all users from this menu.
It's that easy. Just remember to restart any open apps, like Word, to actually see it.
Need to uninstall? We'll open Settings, go to Personalization, find the font, and remove it.
Hit Windows plus I on your keyboard to quickly open up Windows settings.
Next, click right over on Personalization in the left-hand sidebar.
Scroll down just a bit and click the Fonts menu option.
Use the search bar or scroll to find the exact font you want to remove. Click on the font, scroll down its page, and hit that Uninstall button.
Click Uninstall one more time in the pop-up dialog to confirm it.